Watch me turn myself into a Barbie. First, I need to change this hair. Okay, wig's on, blue contacts are in. Now let's do the makeup. This wig is pulling my face back so much. I feel like I've had a facelift. Foundation first. If I'm gonna be a Barbie, I need my skin to look flawless. I didn't expect it to be that runny. This side, 2, 3. I'm just gonna start blending this out. Oh, this is a good color match. Blend, 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 blend. A little bit on the forehead and blend. Contour next. I'm just contouring the same places I usually do. And I'm going in with a lighter contour first. Now I'm gonna go over that with a darker contour. Concealer. I'm going to attempt to do a little heart shape. I'm going to go for about 3, 2, 3. Okay, I feel like that's enough hearts. Blend in nicely. Get that chinny chin chin. Last we got the forehead. Oh, the wig's lifting. My hair's showing through. Blend out the nose. I'm quickly going to go in and add a lighter concealer because I feel like the one that I put on isn't light enough. Now I'm going in with some translucent setting powder. So I'm just doing all the areas that I put concealer. So I'm going to use a big fluffy brush. Blush time. I'm going to go in with a softer pink blush first. Oh, look at that. Nice and rosy. Then I'm going to tap into a tiny bit of a darker pink blush. I went ahead and added some highlight to my nose, my cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin and my cheekbones. Time to let the hair down. If I can get this clip out. She's a bit tangled. Get it? Because Rapunzel has blonde hair too. Oh my gosh, I wish my own hair was this long. Oh. So my base is pretty much done. We're going to move on to the eyes. So I'm just lining my waterline and underneath my lower lash line with a white eye pencil. I'm adding some white eyeshadow on that inner corner. I don't really know what look I'm going for here. I'm just kind of making it up as I go along. Light pink eyeshadow in the crease. Adding a burgundy shade in my crease and flicking it out. Doing some wing liner. Oh, I'm going to add some glitter eyeshadow. Hopefully it doesn't mess it up. Right here. Oh, hang on, let's not panic. Oh no. Okay, not bad. Nice and sparkly. Okay, I like that. Time for lashes, and I don't know whether to go for these ones or these ones. Oh yes, these are definitely Barbie. So I'm going with these ones. I need to do the brows, so I'm going to lighten them with some brow gel. I'm just changing my contact lenses to put in these more blue cartoon looking ones. So I'm using a mix of white and light pink eyeshadow on the areas of my face that the light would hit to make me look more doll-like. Lining my lips, going in with pink lipstick. Does it need to be more pink than this? Let me try this one. Yeah, okay. I'm using a dark burgundy eyeshadow just to go in the corners. Okay, now for the fake smile. Adding more shading with some black eyeshadow. A few more white details. Okay, I need to do some finishing touches and add the accessories. So who's ready to see the end result? Okay guys, this is the end result. How much do I look like a Barbie? I actually feel like a life-size Barbie doll. Be honest with me guys, is this one a cute or a fail? If you love this look as much as I do, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Thanks for watching.